Hi, Liz Pivito here. So today I want to really quickly show you how you can access Ibuumerang's amazing trainings that is called Flight School, Iboomerang Flight School. So if you don't know what Iboomerang is, we are a travel technology company. So we help people save money on travel. That's as difficult and as complicated as it gets. But every single week, Iboomerang Corporate gives us a training on Saturday mornings at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. They do the trainings on Facebook Live on their Iboomerang Facebook page. They also do a Zoom. So if you want to be on the trainings live, you can simply go to the Iboomerang Facebook page and watch it there, or you can find the Zoom link on the page. Okay, but I'm going to real quick show you where you can access all of the previous flight schools. Okay, so this is just really quick. One website that you need to go to. Let me share that really quick with you here. I'm going to change the way the screen looks. Other way. Okay, so all you need to do here is go to this website. Let me click over to the website and scroll up just a little bit. You're not going to be able to see the top of my screen, unfortunately, but you can see up here in the top left-hand corner, this is the name of the website here, iboomhub.com. So don't type in www, just go to your browser and type in iboomhub.com, and then you're going to click over here where it says flight training videos. Okay, so flight training videos, and then when you're on that drop down, you're going to go down here where it says flight school. So this is the page that we are on right now, the flight school. So you can see all the different flight schools trainings that are right here. So if you're new to Iboomerang, I would suggest that you start at the beginning and go work from the beginning. Now these are trainings, these are workshops, these aren't just real quick, 5-10 minute train. These are full trainings, like trainings that you would normally pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars to go get this training. So start at the beginning and work your way back up so you get the full benefit of all of these trainings. Okay, so that's really all. I wanted to just show you where you could access the Iboomerang Flight School trainings. So that's where you get it, iboomhub.com. There's a lot of different materials there for you to look at as well. So if by chance you have not enrolled with Ibuumerang yet as a representative, I would love to have you on my team. So just contact me through Facebook. And I'll be glad to get you started. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can go watch the full presentation at BoomArmy.com. That link should be down in the description below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.